If you think having a toddler and a clean car simultaneously is impossible, this product will certainly prove you wrong. OWLEYS were kind enough to send these two products to me so I could test them out. One is the kick mat for the front and another one is for the under the car seat. And a cute baby on board sticker. The materials in both the front, the back, and also the hardware scream quality to me. They have a nice mesh lining on the back. This is rubberized so it sticks to your surface better. It has a logo. Another one here, and of course the front looks just incredible. This is so close to real leather, and if you have leather seats in your car, this will complement them so well. The straps are really well made. So here it is installed in our BMW X5 with coffee interior, and I think this color matches perfectly as if it was designed for this exact car. I haven't been able to find anything that matches closer than this. And the installation was super straightforward. So of course you lay this underneath the car seat, so you have to take out the car seat before you do that. This strap goes around your neck support, and of course you can tighten it and loosen it however you need, and that's pretty much it. And then there's also an insert inside to go in between the crease of the seat, and it has coverage here for the front of the seat as well. And when it comes to the kick mat, it adheres nicely to the back thanks to these hooks on both sides. These are stretchy and they will hook over your seat, so it makes it flush and doesn't move around. If you're still debating, this is exactly why you need these protectors. This would have been on my seat if not for the protector. And see, it wipes off within a matter of seconds with just a wet wipe or a wet cloth. Just one small improvement I would add, and only because we have a rotating car seat, it's probably not for everyone, but the ebb and flow one rotates here and legs reach to this side as well. So this would be nice if this side was protected too. But otherwise, this amazing addition has saved our new seats so well and protects them on all sides. And there's enough coverage for everything up to this point and here. I feel like I don't have to worry about cleaning up my car as much as I used to. And I can definitely tell that they invested their time and effort into making this product not just be practical, but look beautiful. If this wasn't convincing enough, I don't know what else will be. These car seat protectors are amazing.